Hi guys, a lot of you have asked me how I went from a 210-pound evil piece of cubic zirconia all the way down to a 125 beautiful shining diamond. So today we're doing an in-depth what I eat in a day to lose 85 pounds and more and cure my bulimia and my binge eating disorder. Because honestly, that was a lot of the problem, is that I was binging all fucking day because I hated myself and my body and it was just a mess. I also got over a drug addiction in this process. That probably helped a little bit too. Anyway, so the first thing we do, we start off our morning with a black coffee. I make my own Keurig things. I don't use the Keurig K-Cups because I feel like they have hidden sugar in them. I don't fuck with that. I don't trust that. So I use my own. And honestly, whenever I'm able to grind my own coffee beans, I will. All you do is you take the little cup. You can buy these at anywhere. Pick whatever coffee you want. Take your little coffee filter it comes with. And then you stick the coffee filter in first, because a lot of people are like, how do you use that? Put the black thing over it. Put your coffee in it, and then put your cap on. It's super easy, super simple, and it's my favorite. And then you also save a lot of money because you're not buying a bunch of fucking Keurigs. So you can buy it anywhere. Also, you have to use your puppy cup and you have to use your puppy spoon. If not, then it doesn't taste right. Here's 6 seconds of my dumb ass putting this in the thing. I don't know why it took me so long to fucking edit this and do this. And what is wrong with me? Why do I take so long to do things? What am I looking at? Jesus. So cup 1 done. Second cup of coffee now. Then we're on to our third cup of coffee. Can you kind of see a trend here? I do 20 to 24 hours of fasting a day, and then I eat 1 to 1.5 meals. Sometimes I'll have a piece of fruit at my 20 to 24th hour. It depends on my day. So we spend the day having black coffee. 7-Eleven is top tier, by the way. Starbucks is great, but 7-Eleven is better. I stand on that. And then I have a gallon of water a day. I'm doing 75 hard, by the way, which is why I'm drinking a gallon of water a day. But you should actually get most of your water hydration from fruit, whole fruit, not fucking smoothies. That is calories for no reason. Then I burned some calories washing my best friend, Baby Bane. This is my baby with his ball. Then we went ahead on a 4-mile, it's like a 4.9 mile walk jog. I have to do 45 minutes of cardio every day, but I'm also a distance runner. So I run a little bit more than 45 minutes a day. I do about 30-ish miles a week right now. Then we have another cup of coffee while we do a 2-hour crunches workout stream on Twitch. I do it every night. You guys are there with me losing weight. That's how I started losing weight. Then it's meal time at about 7-ish o'clock. So I start every single meal with my salad. I have romaine lettuce or spinach. I have lentils. By the way, rinse your lettuce. Rinse your lettuce. I know I don't care about rinsing chicken. Rinse your fucking lettuce though. I have cucumbers, and I keep the skin on because it has extra fiber. Then I have, I chop it in half. I'm particular about the way I eat, okay? It has to be perfect or I don't want it. Anyway, then I have lentils, and I have shown you guys how to make lentils before. This is one of the biggest things to my weight loss. I eat lentils every single day. I do not miss lentils. Every single day. If I eat food, I eat lentils or I don't eat. And then I have purple sweet potatoes and regular sweet potatoes on the side. And then I, of course, cover everything in table Caesar and creamy Caesar because duh. And then, why is this taking so long? Anyway, and then another key to my weight loss is nutritional yeast. I put that on every salad or every meal. I always have nutritional yeast. Then I made my Forever Thin Crust Pizza, and it's a skinny recipe that I made myself. I make my own bread, and I have the recipe posted. If it's not posted right now, it will be posted later today. I post all of my homemade cooking skinny recipes on YouTube. And that's pretty much it. There's not too much that goes into losing weight. You don't eat that much and you exercise a little bit. Exercise isn't most of it. Most of it is diet. So I fast 20 to 24 hours a day. That's just my personal fasting. I jumped right into it because that's the type of person I am. I'm mentally psychotic. I have to just jump into it or I won't do it at all. Most people have to slowly do it. That's fine too. I also do a Twitch workout stream where we talk about diet and exercise, and we have, if we're having a tough day, we talk to each other and just get help for that. And it's really just a support group. I also have the running group that's on Facebook that if anybody is working out or running, you can join. Right now I'm the only member, but it's okay. It'll blow up. It already has. I'm at hospital. Anyway, and then lastly, we do our exercises. I do my running every day, but we do crunches together because working out and losing weight is much better when you do it together. So we do crunches together every single night, 8 o'clock on Twitch. I can only invite you and give you the information. If you decide to show up, that's great. But at this point, the ball is in your hands, I guess. The ball is in your court. I don't know basketball. The ball is wherever the ball is supposed to be. So if you want to lose weight, you will. If you don't want to lose weight, you won't. But at the end of the day, that's your choice. You are choosing to stay fat. You are choosing to stay weak. You are choosing to stay overweight. It is very simple. For body types like me, I had binge eating disorder, I had bulimia, I had a lot of other problems. So I had to go harder because I fucked up and wrecked my metabolism. For some people, they don't have to go as hard. But if you're having trouble losing weight, maybe you just need to go harder. It's not that hard once you get comfortable going hard. I'm doing 75 hard. I don't know what day I'm on. I know October 8th is the 75th day. And I don't even notice that I'm doing it. Why? Because I've just been doing this. Just do it. Just do it. Like Nike said, like Jesus said, just do it. That's all. And I'm here to help you. Come to the Twitch stream. It's free. Every single night. It's free. We work out. Come to the Discord. That's free. If you need help or if you just want to talk to someone, I'm here. I am technically, like I said a year ago, I'm your online virtual best friend. I'm your online virtual fitness instructor. Why? Because I don't really have any friends in real life. You guys are my friends, and I always wanted someone to work out with and lose weight with, and that's y'all. So how am I losing weight by myself? I do have at least 2 other success stories that are working out with me. One of them is True, and the other one, I don't know if you want to be named, so I won't name them. But anyway, and they're losing weight and they're seeing progress. So it's not just me. It's just something about us doing it together and coming together that makes it better. So either come on, or maybe this is too hard for you and you can find another diet. But if I were you, I would do this and get it over with real quick. Bye. And remember, stay skinny.